Yummy.
She's funny, isn't she? Look, she's not going... Is she?
Give the table a clean, that's a good girl. That's it, yeah. Have a bit more. Is it good? Is it nice?
Emma's eating a lemon.
Is that good?
And then she likes to turn the car on.
Can you unlock the car? No, she's pressing the button. Oh, more, that's tough work. More lemon. That's not bad. Why does she keep putting it back in? Belongs in. Oh, that's nice.
Clean the table. Clean the table. Give the table a good wipe.
Yummy lemon.
Give the table a good wipe. Uh-oh.
What happened?
Is that yummy? Emma likes lemon. Yeah. Yeah. Still in there.
Good. Nice.
You wipe the table? You've dripped. It's dripping on the table. I think you have to wipe it. Clean the table.
Wipe the table.
There you go. Wipe the table. Well done. Well done, Emma. Good job. Oh, there's another mug. You can drink some tea. What you got there? What you got there? Another lemon? 2 lemons? You've got 2! 2! 2 lemons! And a shoe. Shoes. Emma's shoes. Shoes. Thank you, Emma.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Thank you. One. 2. One. 2.
Is it good?
Think it's time for a table wipe. Wipe the table. Good girl. Good girl. Well done. Well done.